Many older adults struggle with using ATMs, making banking stressful and hard. It's predominantly due to rapidly growing technology and lack of immersive tutorials, thus making the experienced technically inexperienced. Cash is an integral part of livelihood, and many vendors still don't use UPI. Our AR-based ATM training solution empowers elderly users by significantly boosting their confidence and independence in performing cash withdrawals without assistance. We tested our training application with about 30 rural and semi-urban seniors. A demo of our ATM training app is now being played on the screen. For better clarity, this demo is shared separately with link in the description below.
Please insert your ATM card. Please insert your 4-digit ATM PIN. Please choose one option. Please enter amount. Please collect the dispensed cash. Please collect your card.
Our results showed significant training influence with confidence boosting to 80% and above in 68% of the older participants.